I haven't fallen in yet.
Hello and welcome back to another video on Tish Does Travel. I am currently on a paddleboard in the middle of a lake in Yorkshire and I'm here with Jeep. It's called Camp Jeep and it's part car launch, part adventure trip. So in today's video we're going to do a little bit of water sports. I pre-warn you, we've got some really funny falls coming up. I'm glad I got them on camera. And we are also going to be sleeping tonight in bell tents and then of course doing some driving in the new Jeep Avengers and the North Face. So if that sounds good, then please keep watching, and if you like travel content like this and you want to see some fun things that you can do in Yorkshire, then please keep watching, and if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you hit the subscribe button.
Oh na na na, oh na na na, oh yeah.
Welcome to Camp Jeep. I've just been allocated my tent, so let's head over and yeah, have a little look inside. So this is my bell tent here, number 17. How cool is this? Look at the little mat to get in. There's so many little details on here which I can't wait to explore. So inside we have got a lovely bed. Don't think I'll be needing the duvet. We've got some skincare bits, little Camp Jeep pillow. Oh, that's so good. We've got a Swinton estate dressing gown from where we're staying. By the bed, this is thoughtful. We've got like a power pack, a little lamp. This is like proper glamping. A little lamp and a little torch to take with us. And then we've got a goodie bag on that chair, so we'll take a look in a minute. And we've also got this little cool box as well. And you know what? I'm gonna grab the cool box and I'm gonna grab the little gift bag and we're gonna open them outside here because it is absolutely roasting inside that tent at the moment. If you see me sweating, literally mind your own business. It is so hot. It's like, it's gotten a bit much, isn't it? Classic UK moaning about the weather. But anyway, as she wipes the bead of sweat off of her, should we have a look what we've got inside our Camp Jeep gift bag? I know it looks like I've been getting a lot of goodies recently. They don't normally do this many gifts when I go to events. I think it just happens that I've been going to like some really cool events. So we've got some cool gift bags. Oh, that's so sweet. Look at that. We've got a little Jeep campfire stories book. There's little stories inside about Jeep. I love that. That is really, really lovely. What else is in here? Sleep mask. See if we can actually stay asleep. Oh, look at that little duck. They've also got yellow ones of these, and you best believe I'll be taking more than one duck home with me. And then what have we got here? Amazing. Look at that. Stop. That's so cool. This is definitely one of those that you could like put pot noodle. Why does my brain go to pot noodle? But how good is that? I absolutely love that. And then we've also got the little cool box as well. What's inside here? Oh, lovely. So it's got a nice ice pack to keep it cold. I've actually got a sandwich as well, so I'm going to put that in there. Got some water, got a little biscuit, and got some Haribo. Love it. Thank you very much, Jeep. Also, I feel kind of bad, kind of not, but I've got my camera that I didn't use when I was on the Skoda event. I'm not sure this is what they planned for it to be used for, but I'm going to try and get some like cool disposable snaps whilst I'm doing the Camp Jeep. So plan now, I'm going to go inside, I'm going to cool down, I'm going to get a drink, and then we are doing a spot of off-roading this evening before going out on the lake.
This magic, but living in the moment, feeling ecstatic.
It was just a short drive over, and now we're all heading over to do a little bit of water sports. I'm not sure what I want to do yet, whether I want to do paddleboarding or boating. We'll have to see what it looks like. Sam's taking no chances. He's got the wetsuit trousers, the wetsuit jacket, and he's got the... I don't know what sort of water sports you think you're doing.
Well, they're going to inflate the armbands for me, but they just need a smaller size.
This is so nice. The sun's finally gone in just a little bit, so it's like still warm, but it's not like unbearably hot. And we're just having a little paddle board around the lake. Woo!
Very good. Now do you see how much your nose is raising out?
Oh yeah.
Now the turn part. We're going to try to push it up. Yeah, just like that.
Woo! He's a natural. The instructor that's in here with us is getting us to do this 5-star, is it a 5-star? 5-step rules or challenges for the stand-up puddle boards. So the first one is just to be able to stand up, the second is to jump, and then the third to do the like walking bit. Okay, third is the step back turn, that's the first one that made Paul fall over, wasn't it? Fourth is roly-poly, so what's 5? Oh, headstand, handstand, headstand. I think I will be firmly staying on the paddleboard. Have you stood up yet? Go on.
No, physically incapacitated.
No, you're not. You can do it.
Hey!
That was actually easier than
That was.
Oh! What are you doing? That is not a jump, that was a leap. Where were you going? You do know you're supposed to just go vertically in the air.
I know that every time I've done it, I've ended up differently in the water.
Oh my god. So elegant. That was so much fun. I'm glad I managed to stay dry. But mostly that's because I had the camera with me and I was worried that I was going to go in. But the boys offered a great bit of entertainment. I think the plan is now, I thought we were doing a little bit of off-roading and driving over, but I think that's tomorrow. So I think now it's canapes and cocktail time. Time for a bit of dinner, which is good because I'm starving. We're just coming back from swimming. It's 6 p.m. and the cars are reading 30 degrees, which is like unheard of in Wales. Best thing about the North Face Edition Jeep, so these seats were all a bit soggy from paddleboarding, but the seats are actually water resistant, which is perfect for little adventures. I think there's only one thing to do when it's this hot. I'm gonna have to go have a shower to cool down before dinner. All showered, we've just had a little presentation on the car and now dinner is served, so let's go see what's on the menu. Our brioche buns. Do you like a brioche bun on your burger?
Yeah, we're getting into dangerous territory, aren't we? If you ask about brioche buns and burgers with me. I just go and look at it.
I'm running out.
Look at the radio.
Oh, show off. Who's driving the green one? It's about 11 p.m. and I think it's time to call it a night. It's much cooler now, it's so nice. It's like the perfect temperature and it's been so hot over the last couple of days that I've barely slept. So I'm actually looking forward to getting snugly in bed and having a good night's sleep, at least for a few hours. because apparently it gets really hot and bright at about 4:30 a.m. so I'm hoping I can sleep through it, but yeah, it might just be a little bit of a short sleep, so I'm going to try and get to bed nice and early, or well, as early as 11 p.m. is. What have you got behind your back? What have you got there? What have you got? Did that scare you? Was it in your bed?
He was bed slopping. He was bed.
Well, it's somebody whose tent's open. Put it in the toilet.
What? In the shower, put it in the shower. Someone what the freaking hell is that?
I think you should just put it in one of the open ones.
I don't want to be seen like lurking in someone's tent.
Which one's which one's
Once I took it in as well.
whose is it? Me. It's got to be KP then. Yeah, put it in KP's. Tuck the baby in.
Shall I tuck it?
I feel like she actually will shit herself as well.
Is that really awful?
As expected, I slept so well, like possibly the best I've slept in a whole week, with it actually being like cold enough to get under a duvet, which was nice, and I'm up at 7 and we're wild swimming. So this is the lake where we're going wild swimming. Oh my god. So just over from the lake, you'll see there's our little teepees. So lake here, and then just the teepees in the distance. We can't actually walk across because there is a whole field of deer in here and the deer are protected. So we had to come by car, not to disturb them. What a lovely way to be able to start the day. It was really cold when you first get in, but actually, like, I'm not cold now at all. Now I just got to get ready, which I can't really be bothered to do. Need to get ready and then, yeah, do some reviewing, I guess. Well, if there is ever something to wake you up in the morning, it's got to be a wild swim in a freezing cold pond, and then it's got to be a drive over the Yorkshire Moors. It's so beautiful round here, one of my favourite places in the UK, but also the whole world. It's just stunning and crazy how the rest of the UK currently is like 35-degree heat down south, and then up here on the Yorkshire Moors it's 16 degrees and there's still fog on the moors. It's a welcome break actually from how hot yesterday was, to just come up here and it be a little bit more serene. I've just stopped off and I thought I'd actually tell you about the car that we've come here to drive. So this is the Jeep Avenger 4xe. So it's a hybrid four-wheel drive Jeep Avenger, their smallest car. And this is actually the North Face edition. So that's why you see you've got the North Face, which is across the bonnet. You've also got this kind of topology map, which is featured everywhere. And then inside, you've got the very cool Jeep and North Face seats. So these are like wipe resistant, which has been brilliant because when we were getting in and out of the river and stuff, you can literally just wipe these clean. And then on the back, you've got like the nets like you get on the back of the North Face kind of bags, which is really cool. It's actually quite a funky looking car, isn't it? We're just doing a little bit of a drive out this morning, a road route to test the car on road. And then we're coming back from this, so this is about a 2-hour drive, and then we're coming back from this and we are, I hate that noise, don't you? And then we are heading out on the off-road stuff. So yeah, that's the plan. So let's get back on the road because we're running a little bit late and I don't want to be late for my off-roading. It's off-roading time now, so we're all lined up ready to do a little bit of off-roading and see how capable the Jeep Avenger is. So much fun. I always have the best time off-roading and I'm actually quite impressed with this car. It was really capable. I wasn't expecting it to be as capable because it's not a car originally built to be a 4-wheel drive, but it actually tackled that quite well and it was good fun going through the river. And it always makes you feel a bit nervous because it's almost like your brain thinks that you shouldn't be doing things that you are doing. But I've had such good fun. I feel like I've been awake for like 1,000 hours. It's literally 3 p.m. and it feels like it's 6 p.m. because we got up to go swimming and we've just been so busy, but I've had such a good time. Thank you so much, Jeep, for inviting me to Camp Jeep. It's been a really brilliant experience and yeah, don't know if I'll be able to go back to proper camping. I think that was the comfiest bed I've ever slept in, actually inside of a tent. But I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then make sure you hit the subscribe button. Until next time, guys, see you later.